Good morning, students. Welcome to my virtual class. Today I am going to start new chapter iterative statement in Python. In this video, students, in this video we shall talk about the different type of the iterative statement, which means repetitive the statement that allow us to repeat the statement again and again. So let us see, students, what is the repetitive statement in Python. So students, our first heading is iterative statement. Iterative means repetition. This statement allows the user to repeat the same set of statements again and again for a specified time, students. These statements keep repeating themselves as long as the condition is true, students. So as the condition become false, the loop terminate also. So that's why it is also called the loop statement also. Any iterative statements is based on three values. First is start value. So in repetition statement, first of all we have to declare the counter variable that will store the value and get incremented after every loop to reach its final value. Second is test condition. So in our repetitive statement we have to also give the conditions for repetition. Third is step value. So students, we have to also declare the step value that will do the increment or decrement in variable. By default the increment is 1. So student, in Python there are two types of the iterative statement. So student, first is for and second is while. First we shall talk about the for loop. This loop is used when we are sure about how many times a loop body will be executed. So students, in Python the working for loop is based on various operators and function. The syntax for loop is for, then we type the variables and in, and then we in parenthesis bracket we write the sequence. So loop, under this below it we write the loop body which we want to be executed as it is shown here, student. For examples, for variable in range we give the initial value, then final value and step value, students. Next heading is the in operator. The in operator is used to check if a given value exists in the sequence or not. It evaluates to true if it finds a value in the specified sequence, else it returns the false, student. It means these operators help to check whether the value is in given range or not. So student, syntax for this operator is value in sequence as it is given here. So for example, if you want to check whether the number 10 is present in the given sequence number 1, 2, 3, 10, so you have to type the statement print 10 in rectangular brackets 1, 2, 3, 10 and press the enter key. Whenever press the enter key, it will give the result true. because the 10 number is also present in this range. After that, student, next heading is the range function. So this function is used with the for loop in Python, is helpful in generating a sequence of number in the form of list. For example, if you give the statement range in parenthesis bracket 10, so it will generate the number from 0 to 9, student. So syntax for this command is range, within the bracket we type the initial value from comma final value comma step value. So students, for example, if you give the statement print I in range 10 comma 20, so the initial value of the variable I is 10 here and the final value is 19. So each time the loop execute, the value of I is incremented by 1, so that final sequence will be 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, student. So now the variables, which in the case is 10, will be checked within this range as 10 is present in the given range, so the output of the program will be true, students. So thank you for watching my video.